Want your Instagram messages to disappear automatically? Need more privacy in your conversations? Let me show you how to turn on disappearing messages in seconds. Welcome to Preyo Phonie. Today, I'll show you how to enable disappearing messages on Instagram step by step. Step 1. Unlock your phone and launch the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. Check that your app is updated to access the latest messaging features. Now, you're ready to manage your chat settings. Step 2. Look at the bottom or top corner for the messenger icon. Tap the paper plane icon to open your inbox. This is where all your direct messages are stored. You'll now see your list of conversations. Step 3. Scroll through your conversations carefully. Tap on the chat where you want messages to disappear. Make sure you select the correct person. Now, you're inside the conversation screen. If this privacy tip is helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more smart Instagram tutorials every week. Step 4. At the top of the chat screen, tap the person's name or profile picture. This will open the chat settings page. Here you can control message options and privacy features. Now we'll activate disappearing messages. Step 5. Scroll through the chat settings menu. Look for the disappearing messages option. Tap on it to see available duration settings. This feature controls how long messages remain visible. Step 6. Select once they're seen if you want messages to vanish immediately after viewing, or choose 24 hours for short-term conversations. You can also select 7 days for temporary message history. After choosing, your messages will automatically disappear based on your selected time frame. And that's how you enable disappearing messages on Instagram. This feature is perfect for private conversations and added security. Always remember that screenshots can still be taken. For more expert-level Instagram privacy tips, keep watching Preyo Phonie, where we make social media simple, smart, and secure.